Hello everyone, welcome back again to Selfcad channel with Selfcad 3D animation tutorial. Today I will create a 3D animation Hinges with a rotate command. Okay, first I will change into a front view. Next we can click animation. You can click here to create animation. I will select these models. Okay, next we can use rotate command, and first I will change for gizmo position. You can click here. We use a manual gizmo, and I will set in center point in here. Okay, next we can rotate in a blue axis in here. I will set into 180, and then we can rotate again with a rotation minus 180. Okay, next I will uncheck these objects, and then I will select these 3D models. We can create again animation, rotate animation. Okay, I will use manual gizmo again, and I will set into center point. Okay, next we can use this rotation in the z-axis. I will set into minus 180, and then we set again in here 180. Okay. Now we can stop this stop recording, and then you can select these two objects. We can click here to view animation. If we play, okay, you can see it will be create this animation. So we can edit in this frame. You can stop. I will move this frame into this point. Okay, next we can move this frame into this point. Okay, now I will move this object into here. Okay, we move again in here into this point. Next we can move this frame into here, and the last this frame into this point. Okay, you can play, and we can see this for animation, Hinges animation. Okay, you can stop, and we can give a space in here. Okay, so it will be stop, and then it will be play again animation. I will move into this point, and we create again in here. Okay, we stop in here, and then in here I will set into this point. So if we play this animation, it will be create stop in here, and then play again in here. You can play, and you can see it will be stop and play again. Now we'll be play in here, stop, and play again. Okay, enough today for Selfcad 3D animation basic tutorial how to use a rotate command. If you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video, and see you next time in another Selfcad basic tutorial.